Meaning of gesticulation.
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 Gesticulation. The term gesticulation refers to the act of making expressive bodily movements, especially with the hands and arms, in order to emphasize or convey a message. Gesticulation can be used to supplement verbal communication, or as a standalone means of nonverbal expression. This behavior can convey a wide range of emotions and intentions, such as enthusiasm, frustration, or emphasis on a particular point. It is common in many cultures and can be observed in everyday conversation, public speaking, and even theatrical performances. Overall, gesticulation plays an important role in human communication and can greatly enhance the impact and clarity of one's message.